Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can log out your Steam account, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to log out your Steam account on the Steam app, this is actually very easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for that, I want you to make sure first that you're in the home screen of your Steam app. And once you're on your home screen, I want you to look at the top right corner of your screen and then you will be able to see your Steam display name right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, there it is guys. You will now see the log out button right here. Just go and click it. And then Steam will ask you for confirmation if you really want to log out your account. You can click this button to confirm it. But reminder guys, make sure that you remember your Steam login information such as your username and password before doing this. That way you would be able to log it in again if you want to. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Steam account will now be logged out just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.